According to the second law of thermodynamics, it is virtually impossible to decrease the entropy of a closed system. If this sounds confusing to you, I'll explain to you later. But this basically means that you cannot uncook a scrambled egg, you cannot uneat a hot dog, and you cannot unbreak the glass which you just break. Or can you? So today I will be attempting to break the second laws of thermodynamics by unbreaking an egg, which I will be break later. But first, you see, decreasing entropy is impossible, but some are actually impossibler than others. So I've listed a spectrum of stuff which just get impossibler and impossibler.
So we'll just start with some easier one first.
Starting with the notebook, let's go. Okay, here we go. First challenge, undestroy a notebook. And this is my notebook. I am going to destroy it. So satisfying. And since you have come, I might as well tell you a little bit of knowledge about what entropy is. Entropy is the concentration of energy, and low entropy means the energy are concentrated. And as I keep destroying this notebook, the chemical energy in the bond of the paper gets released into the air as the heat, so the air around it gets a little bit hotter. So you see, the energy was distributed instead of concentrated. Thus, the entropy gets a little bit higher. Oh my gosh, why did I make it this bad? I could have just teared it in half. It will be so much easier to destroy it. Oh my gosh, that's so stressful. Here we go, I'm destroying my notebook. Can't believing I'm doing DIY on the physics channel. And yeah, generally it's all done. I just pieced them all together back. As you can see, all the broken pieces are back. I've literally got tapes on it. It's absolutely ridiculous, okay? Never try to undestroy a notebook like me. On to the next challenge. As we all know, you cannot uncook a scrambled egg tonight, but you can unbreak an egg this time. I'm going to break the egg first. This is a broken egg crust. Now I'm going to actually pour the egg back in. Oh, it smells bad. I don't normally do this. Oh, here's the fun part. Oh my gosh! And actually, as I'm trying to unbreak this egg, I might as well tell a little more knowledge about the entropy. Everything in the universe tends to go to its ground state, the most stable state. And imagine you're standing.
And imagine you suddenly fell asleep. Now, there's a good chance that you'll fall, right? Why? Because you lose control of your body and all of the particles will fall towards the most stable state, which is lying flat on the bed. But once you lie on the bed, there is no more place you can fall to and you've reached your ground state.
This is my egg unbreaked. Take a closer look, you see I've got tape around it. This was honestly much more gross than I thought it was. And it smells like, oh my gosh. I'm just gonna clean this up. And I've just unbreak the egg. The second law of thermodynamics is broken. Let's give everybody a hand clap. I'm good to go. This video is over. Bye bye, and I will see you in the next episode. Or is it? The truth is, I didn't. Yeah.
I truly didn't. While I'm trying my hardest to put the egg crust back together, I spent too much energy doing it, which caused my body to release heat into the air, increasing the entropy instead. You see, we are radiating heat away every second as long as we are alive, and we are constantly increasing the entropy of the universe. As long as we are alive, we cannot decrease the entropy of the universe.
You just can't break the laws of physics.